In this video I will explain how to download videos from LinkedIn. A very simple action, but that can be very useful when it comes to reuse previous publications made in this format, or to simply download videos published by other users. I'm Xavier Mitjana, and you are on my Build Your Brand channel. A channel where every week I publish content that can help you to improve your online presence or improve your digital marketing strategies by publishing quality content. If you want to support this channel, you can like this video or leave a comment. Downloading a video from LinkedIn, as I said, is very simple. The only thing you have to do is finding a video publication. In this case, I will use my own publication. Once we have selected it, this video for example, the only thing we have to do, if for example we browse with Chrome, press the F12 key to open the web inspector. And with the web inspector opened, what we will have to do is to use this function of here. And with this function activated, click on the video. If you notice, a code snippet is automatically marked for us. Above this code fragment you can see that there is a URL address. What we will have to do is to select this URL. To do it, the only thing we have to do is to double-click on it. And as you can see, it is automatically selected. With the URL address selected, we can open a new browser tab and paste it. If we open it, the video appears in the web browser. And now we can download it by clicking on the right button. If you look at it, the option of Save Video As appears. Click here, and we can save it. For example, on the desktop, we save it and we get the video file. We can open the video in our usual video player. And in this simple way we can download videos from LinkedIn to reuse previous publications, or to save a video that we have found interesting. Don't miss my next video. Your support is essential. If you found this video useful, interesting, or entertaining, please like, share, and subscribe. You can also follow me on my LinkedIn profile. Thank you very much. See you in the next video.